What's up, my fam? About to tear shit up with my boy Edgar. I've got pre-workout. I've got the shakes. I can feel it behind my ears. That arginine's kicking in strong. Anyway, enjoyed the clip. Just doing what we do. Another day to live in the pump. Let me explain that definition with this video. Take care. See you guys.
The calm that comes before this rage, love that conquers all this hate, sweaty hands that hold on tight, far too late to stop this slide. Strip this away if it's what it takes. I'm ready to break. Lean forward, I'm bracing for collision. Run faster, I'm chasing your collision. Shattered pieces in my eyes, sweet comfort has passed me by. Wings no longer spread in flight, far too late to stop this dive. Strip this away if it's what it takes. I'm ready to break. Lean forward, I'm bracing for collision. Run faster, I'm chasing your collision. Lean forward, I'm bracing for collision. Run faster, I'm chasing your collision. I'm not running away. I'm not running away. I'm chasing, strip this away if it's what it takes. I'm ready to break. Lean forward, I'm bracing for collision. Run faster, I'm chasing your collision. Lean forward, I'm bracing for collision. Run faster, I'm chasing your collision.
My fam! We are gathered here today in this bathroom to close out our session with a selfie, as I know you all do, so don't even try to lie to me, alright? Case in point, smashing with my boy Edgar. You wanna know why? Because we set new paces. And no one can catch us. At least that's the mindset. So, to finish it off, I'm 4 weeks out, guys. Now's where it counts. Getting lean, diets in check, bring out the serratus. Ooh, I'll give you 2 sneak poses. So what do you think? I've got center. And then I've got the side. And a Jaden Casey pose. I'll see you in the parking lot. Closing night walk to my car with my fucking boy Edgar.
We just killed it right now.
Doing what all Team WNC athletes do, tearing shit up, making it happen, pump so fat they tear the skin. And I will show you, as you just saw in each of the video clips. All right, fat sups, fat pumps. That's just a little bit about what we do. Ending note, me and my boy Edgar, we're about to get some in and out. Cheat day.
Like 4x4.
See you, fam. 4x4.